Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Apple Home app automations with iPhone and HomePod, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Apple Home app automations with your iPhone and HomePod, start by opening the Home app on your iPhone. Ensure that your HomePod is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone. Tap the Automation tab located at the bottom of the screen. In the Automation section, click on Create New Automation. You will see various triggers to choose from, such as time of day, arrival, departure, and more. Select the trigger that best suits your needs. If you choose time of day, set the specific time and days for the automation. For arrival, choose your location so that the automation activates when you arrive home. Once you've set your desired trigger, tap Next. Now you'll need to select the accessories that will respond to this automation. Choose the devices you want to control, such as lights, thermostats, or locks. Once selected, you can adjust the settings for each device. After configuring your devices, tap Next to proceed. Review your automation settings to ensure everything is correct. If you're satisfied, tap Done to save the automation. To test your automation, you can manually trigger it to see if it works as expected. Ensure your HomePod is set up to act as a hub for your home automation. If you encounter issues, check your HomePod settings to confirm it's properly configured. Repeat these steps to create additional automations for different scenarios as needed. Now you're ready to enjoy a more convenient smart home experience using your iPhone and HomePod. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.